if you have a Cut 2D or V-Carve desktop, you can save your G-codes to a desktop larger than 24 inches, okay? A very simple way to get around this is to make a small modification to the G-code, but here I'll show you an even simpler way. In my case, I use Mach 3. This works just like any other. You will use the first G-code normally. From the second onwards, place the distance from the start of the second operation on the corresponding axis. In my case, the distance is minus 24 inches on the x-axis. If you have more x and y parts, just do the same thing. If there are more parts, the distance will be 50 inches, 100 inches. It depends on your machine. It is possible to edit your G-codes so that all parts are in the same file. This is very handy when you're going to use it a lot. Doing this and making a video of it takes work, and it will depend on whether you are interested in this subject or not. This can be a good thing because Cut 2D or V-Carve desktop are cheap and you can make your guitars with them as if you were using a pro version. But I want your comment on what you think of another more complete video, and I want your like. Thanks for watching this far.